Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a face unlock onto your Moto G45. Let's begin. First, you want to head into your settings. Well, that's actually a spoiler, but yeah, we want to head into settings and then scroll down a little and go into security and privacy. Then head into device unlock and click face unlock. We have to re-enter our first PIN, so I will just input my unlock screen PIN, and now we can unlock with a glance. And it's basically saying that what face unlock is, so let's go with setup. And now we have some information about face unlock. We have your phone, can unlock our phone by lifting and looking at it. It's pretty self-explanatory. However, the face matching is less secure than a pattern, PIN or password. Someone who looks like you could unlock your phone, and the data used to recognize your face is kept private on your phone. That's some very basic information, but it's still nice to have, especially considering the information that this isn't very safe. But let's go into setup. And now I want to simply head, and we have our head. I have my face here, but I want to have it evenly lit, so let's something like this. And I can probably look right into it. And I want to just wait for the bar, and as you can see, face scan has failed. So what I want to do is I will illuminate myself with a bit of a light now, and let me try once again with having my face a little bit closer. So I will now try to do it once again. And as you can see, it did work. We are almost there, and now we can go with few options. First of all, we can skip lock screen. So if we unlock if we unlock our phone using face unlock, we'll get transported to our home screen immediately, or we'll just have you to swipe on the lock screen. It's completely up to you if you want to enable this or not. I won't, because I like my lock screen. And then we have lift to unlock, which will use it to raise the phone to unlock it by looking at the screen. We can enable this, and let's go with next. So we have a nice tutorial, lift, look and unlock, and that's about it. So now if I would click my screen and lock it, and then I would just lift it and look at it, we have unlocked by face, and now we can just swipe our finger, and we don't have to use any of the pin, not a panel, not a pin, not whatever. Our face is just enough. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.